How to fix Oracle Fusion FBDI error? The error shown as Microsoft has blocked macros from running because the source of this file is untrusted. Let me show you the error. So here I am in FBDI Excel file, which is basically for importing uh, properties in Oracle Fusion Lease accounting. So as you could see at the top, you've got the security risk, which is coming here. Microsoft has blocked macros from running because the source of this file is untrusted and it is not even showing us the Oracle macro over here to run. So how to get rid of this error? How to fix this error? So I think you've got to do two steps. First is you've got to go to File and then go to Options, and then you've got to go to Trust Center. And at Trust Center, you should look for something like Trust Center Settings, and then you have something like macro settings. And now here, just make sure this option enable all macros. So basically it's not a recommended settings, but sometimes the macros wouldn't run if you don't enable this. You can try with other options, but I think in my opinion this works in my case. Okay, once you've done that, step number two is close the file and then go to the source of the file, right click it, and then go to properties. And then here you've got this security setting over here, and there's a message. This file came from another computer and might be blocked to help protect this computer. So all you have to do is hit the unblock checkbox, hit apply, and then the OK button. Okay, once you've done that, then you try to reopen this particular Excel file and see that this particular error is gone.